Hello all. Today let's work on a problem related to time and work. So Arun, Varun, Tarun, if working alone, can complete a task in 24 days, 21 days and 15 days respectively. So they charge 2160, 2400 and 2160 per day respectively, and even if they are employed for a partial day. On any given day, any of the workers may or may not be employed to work. If the task needs to be completed within 10 days or less, and what is the minimum possible amount that is required to complete the entire task. So what they are saying is we have three people and they have different number of days that they require to complete the task, and each of them will charge different amounts per day, and we wanted to finish the work within 10 days. And if that is the case, how are we going to employ these people so that it will be finished within 10 days and also least amount is spent on the task. So how do we solve this? So let's see. If Arun is working alone, so he'll take 24 days, and for each day he's charging 2160 rupees. And similarly, if only B is working, V Varun is working, he'll be taking 21 days, and each day will be charged at 2400. And if only Tarun is working, he'll be taking 15 days to complete. At the same time, he'll be charging at 2160 rupees per day. So this will give us 51,840, and this will be 50,400, and this will be 32,400. Now like, assuming that each of these guys worked individually, so this is how much we need to spend to complete the task. So if you look at this, Tarun should be able to complete the task with a minimum amount. So we can be able to only employ only Tarun, but we also have a condition that it needs to be completed within 10 days. And if we only employ Tarun, it will be taking only 15 days. So what should we do in this case? So we'll employ him for the maximum number of days possible, that is 10. So we'll employ the third worker, that is Tarun, for 10 days. And since he's working for 10 days and he needed 15 days, he will be completing two-thirds of the work, that is 10 by 15 is nothing but two-thirds of the work. So what is remaining? So one-third of the work is remaining basically, right? So for Varun to complete the entire work, he'll need 21 days. So in order to complete the remaining left of the one-third of the work, he'll need 21 by 3, 7 days. So to rephrase, basically, Tarun will be employed for 10 days and Varun will be employed for 7 days. So what are they charging currently? So we'll have Varun equal to 7 days into 2400, and for Tarun we have 10 into 2160. So upon solving, we'll have 21600, and this will give us 16,800. So let's sum these two and we'll have 38,400. Do we have this option? Yes, we have.